Um, what year is this again?
69.
69 Cadillac DeVille.
It's the one that doesn't have the vent window in.
Okay. Look at that, all nice and clean. I got that backwards. 472. Wow. Nice car.
Hi.
We got a car show here every Friday and Saturday in Wheaton, Illinois. Here's a nice little car here. Look, check this out. Wow. I have no clue what year this thing is. Look at that old thing. Wow, pretty sweet.
The way we've actually set our house up over the last few years is we've made a full apartment downstairs and we've got a coach house on top of the garage. So,
Anyway, that's it. Have a nice day.